Hey everyone, I have some unboxings to share with you guys, or unbaggings too, I guess. So I got a couple things. These are from Amazon, the first one I'm going to show you. It came so quick too, I was surprised. Usually it takes like a day or two even with Prime, but it came like the next day. So I got some gloves. I've been out of gloves. I needed to get them a while ago. These were only $4.99 on Amazon. And then I got some nail wipes. I got 1,200 of them for $5.99, and it came really cool. I've never seen them come like vacuum sealed before, so I was very impressed with that. And then I got the Makartt Pro Monomer because I won the kit, their ultimate beginner acrylic kit, so I wanted the monomer to go with it to, give the product a fair chance, try. I think it should go with its monomer. Anyway, and then I got my prize from Goddess Gang Nail Art Challenge, Theme 5, which was Nature's Beauty, I think it was. So yeah, that's so awesome. I won second prize, and I got 3 things from Born Pretty. I got that whole box, that one box right there, had one thing of gel polish in it. How crazy is that? So I got 2 separate gel polishes and then a 6-piece set. I will be doing some swatches in a separate video on everything, all the polishes and everything. And showing you guys what they look like and all that in a separate video. This is just for the unboxing. It's been so hot here, I haven't really been able to do anything with my nail stuff. So, and then I got from the TikTok shop, I got this electric nail drill sent to me to try out and make some videos on. So I'm really excited for that. So that's all the stuff I got. Stay tuned, and I got lots of videos coming of swatches and trying stuff, and so lots of exciting stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all bunches. Bye.